Welcome to Minexa.ai, where scraping tax rate data from Avalara.com becomes effortless. With just a few clicks or a single API call, you compress days of work into minutes. Go to the Avalara.com page with your data. Minexa reads the fully rendered page and prepares it for extraction automatically. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension. It works directly on the page you are viewing to start your data extraction. Press the violet button. I'm on the right page, so Minexa can analyze and detect the tax rate data list for scraping. Minexa automatically detects pagination and scrolling behavior, and applies it on every future run to collect full datasets. Choose whether to scrape just the visible statewide tax rate ranges, or also extract detailed data from each row's page. Click Continue for straightforward pages, or switch to advanced mode if the content needs interaction, like tabs or buttons, triggered first. The highlighted block contains your dataset. Click Create Scraper to begin Minexa's analysis of the statewide tax rate ranges. Minexa has detected all data points, including state names and tax rate ranges. Browse columns and add more elements if needed for your tax rate data extraction. Developers can click API Request to get ready to run Python code with Scraper ID and Request Payload pre-filled for seamless automation. Validate your settings and click Complete Configuration to save your scraper and prepare for extraction. Minexa has detected the Next Page button automatically. You can continue to collect all pages or proceed if no pagination applies. Click to create your job. Additional options like scheduling or automation are available, but optional for immediate extraction. Start Run. Minexa applies pagination and container logic to ensure every statewide tax rate range is collected across all pages. What you see here spans multiple pages, but every row looks consistent. Columns like state, minimum tax rate, and maximum tax rate never change. This structured data is ready to drop into databases, pipelines, or spreadsheets for further analysis. Click Export to download your dataset. The output structure stays consistent whether run manually or automated. Every value comes directly from Avalara.com's page with no interpretation or guessing. You get clean, structured data exactly as it appears online.